We got an inflatable kayak because then we could fit it inside of our truck. And also with the flat bottom, our dog can ride with us more comfortably. The kayak is here. Oh man, I can't lift the box. The bag with just the kayak, no seats or paddles, weighs 33.5 pounds. There's like this valve cover. I need this end on the pump where it has this sort of swirly thing. And then with this in the up and locked position, it looks like I'll just push down and rotate it a good quarter turn. Pressure gauge isn't reading on anything yet, but that might just be because the pressure is still so low. At about 50 pumps, the floor is showing 2 psi, so maybe I'll move to the sides and do some more on the sides. Oh no! I just lost all my progress because I didn't get the right piece out. So this piece here should have stayed on the end of the pump. Instead I unscrewed it at the wrong place, so it's just leaking air. So apparently the trick to getting this out without losing all your pressure is to put your finger on this little black ear here and twist. Because if you just twist the hose, it disconnects at the wrong place and you lose all your pressure. Let's see if I can flip the kayak end for end without breaking anything. Well, that was pretty difficult, but now that's the bow of the kayak and that's the stern. To put the seat in, there's Velcro stripped across the bottom and Velcro in the bottom of the boat. So I'll locate it where I want it. Then flip these straps to these D-rings and the back straps to the D-rings behind. The paddle comes in 4 pieces. Install a grip guard. Later. Pumping the air out. It all fits back in the bag pretty easily. We're going to take you kayaking. What do you think about that? Yeah, buddy, you want for your 50? Sure. Yeah, there's a treat. Let's see if we can build your head. Like so, yep. Oh, there's a treat for that much. Yeah, put your ears out. Now let's see if we can latch it underneath. There's one, and there's the other one. Can you get more treats? Yeah. Okay. But you're able to move with it on. Here's another treat, or another treat. Here, okay. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Go. Here you go. They have to give him treats. Oh, he looks so handsome. He looks so happy.
Some spam.
Oh, yay.
Okay. I guess I could use a paddle. All right. It feels kind of like we're playing hooky, but I guess this is a good retirement activity. Great, buddy. Yeah, good boy.
Kayaking was tiring. It's good to just hang out inside the car.